How to transfer money from Western Union to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to look up for a method on how we can use Western Union in order to put our money into another bank account. So let's begin with the video. But before beginning with the video, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to open your Western Union account, of course, and log into it. And you just need to follow some steps after that. So the very first step is creating your profile. You need to create a profile. You can sign up for a free profile and you'll be sending money from your bank account in no time. You can also verify your profile using your United States driver license, passport, or government issued ID. After that, step 2, choose where and how much, enter the destination and how much you'd like to send, and select the bank account as a receive method. After that, enter who will get the money to directly send. You'll have to put their name and contact details on hand. After that, pick your payment option. You can choose whether to pay with your credit, debit card, or with your bank account. On step 5, confirm and send your track your transfer. After that, you just need to you can track the money transfer at any time with the tracking number, and just like that, you will be able to send money to another bank account using Western Union. So therefore, by following these methods, you can transfer money from bank to bank from Western Union. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you.